Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. So this is SundusSyed, and I know I've been away for so long. I haven't filmed any video. I so needed this break. Let's not go there. We'll discuss in some other video Sunday if I'll take up that topic. So you guys have been requesting me my everyday go-to makeup look, and I thought let's start with that only. This makeup look will take just 10 to 15 minutes max, but I was filming, that's why it took like a lot of time. So I hope you guys will like this video, and if you do, give this video a thumbs up. And I have made this promise to all my viewers, all my subscribers, all my followers, that I will be uploading video every week, every Friday. So stay tuned to my YouTube channel because new video will be up every Friday. Subscribe to my channel. Also press that bell notification if you want to get updated whenever I upload a video. So yeah, without further ado, let's get started.
So on my bare face, I am applying my Nivea moisturizing cream. This is Nivea Men. I don't know why I use Nivea Men, but I love it. So I'm massaging all over my face like so, and then I'm applying this MAC strobe cream. I just love how it feels on my skin. It's so refreshing and it gives dewy glowy finish. Then I will be using my L'Oreal Base Magique primer only on the areas where I have pores, not all over the face. This is a drugstore primer. You can go for high ends as well. Then my foundation. This is my everyday go-to foundation these days. I'm obsessed with Makeup Revolution Stick Foundation. I'm in shade F2, and just apply the foundation, leave it on your face, and let the foundation set, and you'll get to know your shade, because after setting, your foundation shows the actual color. Then I am blending all the foundation with my Tarte Cosmetic brush, and after that with a beauty blender set it all. Then I'm using this concealer by Too Faced. This is Born This Way concealer, and I'm in shade Fair. Under my eyes, I'm using it and blending with my beauty blender. Then with this Too Faced, again Peach Perfect loose powder, I'm just baking under my eyes, setting up my concealer, leaving that powder thingy under my eyes for 2 to 3 minutes. Till then, let's do the brows. I'm using Anastasia Brow Dip in shade Ebony. I'm in shade Ebony, and I'm only filling the pores and holes in my brows because there are some. I need to polish my brows. Brows are must. I love them when they're fuller. And as you can see, many of you keep on asking me why my eyebrows are black. They are already black. And now I'm wiping off the powder that I kept there underneath my eyes for baking. This is my Tarte Shape Contour Palette, and I'm using these 3 shades. Firstly, bronzer, the lighter shade, just to give my face some color because I am pale. You can see, not proper contour on everyday basis. I just give a little bit color to my face. Then I'm using Anastasia Sugar Glow Kit to give that glow. All of you keep on asking me now why I glow all the time. This is the reason. My highlighters. I love my highlighter. I am obsessed with highlighters. So yeah. Then I'm using blush from the same palette. This is a trick. Bronzing. After bronzing, apply your highlighter and then blush. And then I'm priming my lids with the same Too Faced Born This Way concealer and setting it with my Tarte Contour Palette thingy. Then this is this main part, the eye makeup. I don't go with the eye makeup on regular day basis, but I love this Just Peachy Matte palette. I recently collaborated with Agent Cosmetic Club, and they gave me this palette, and I'm obsessed. I use this every single day. So firstly, I'm using Just Peach shade all over my lid to give that lightly peachy tinge to my lid, and then with a slightly darker shade, I am carving my lid. All the shade names are written on the screen, just check out. I'm carving it like so on the other eye. Then blending it with the lighter hand. Then you can use any dark shade you want. I am using Peach Tart, and you can see how I'm carving the brow bone, the area slightly below the brow bone. how am I supposed to spell that? I love this carving of my eyes from the outer corner. It just gives a little more depth to my lids, like so. And then I'm applying the very first shade underneath my lower lash line to balance everything out. And then with my Milani Glided palette, I'm using this shimmery shade all over my lid because I don't want everything matte. So it's your choice whether you want to add shimmer or not. Oh, sip of coffee. Then curl those lashes, girls. And I am using Soap & Glory's Thick and Fast mascara then this Body Shop Kajal liner in my lower lash line, and using the same Milani Glided palette, I'm using that highlighter shade and popping in my inner corners. You can see how awake I look now. And adding a little more blush from Balm Cosmetics. I just wanted to polish up everything. For lippies, I'm using this Benefit Cha Cha tint first to give a slight stain so that my lip color will stay put on for a longer time. And then I'm using Huda Beauty Bombshell lipstick, and this is the final look, guys.
Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video, and now you know how I get everyday dewy glowy makeup look. What do you guys think? But actually my skin is very dry these days. It's breaking out. I will surely share my skincare routine as well. This makeup look, do tag me in your photos because I love to see them. The recreations, the hijab styles that I do and you guys recreate, I love them. I will surely repost them on my IG, and I'll see you in my next video.